The static modifier is used to define class members, fields, properties, methods, etc. that belong to the class itself, rather than to any specific instance of the class. Static members can be accessed directly using the class name without creating an object of that class. A non-static class can have both static and non-static members. Static fields are shared across all instances of a class. They are not created during instantiation, meaning there is only one copy of the static field, no matter how many instances of the class are created. Static methods can be called on the class without needing an object of that class. Non-static members belong to instances of the class and require an object to be accessed. Static methods and properties cannot access instance members, non-static members, nor can they use the this keyword, as they do not belong to any instance. Non-static methods can access static members of a class because static members belong to the class itself, not to any specific instance. Static classes can only contain static members and cannot be instantiated. Static members are typically used when you want functionality that is not dependent on object-specific data, such as utility methods or constants.